Assalamu alaikum students. Now we are going to solve the same question by another method, which is graphical method. So this is the third method we are using to solve the simultaneous linear equation, and we are using the same question because to make sure that using any method will give us the same result, right? In the previous two methods we got the same result, so now we will use the third method and we will get the same result as well. And this is a graphical method, so it means that we have to draw the graph of this equation, right, by putting value of x and y, right? So to draw the graph of this equation we have to make a table, right? To make a table we will choose value of x by yourself, and then by choosing one value of x we will get the corresponding value of y. So if we start from 1, so it means that I have to put x as 1 in this equation, and then we are going to find the value of y. Okay, so to put x is equal to 1 in this equation, so just replace x with 1. So we will have 4 times 1 plus 3y is equal to minus 5. 4 ones are 4, shift this 4 on the other side, so it will be 3y is equal to minus 5 minus 4. So it will be 3y is equal to minus 9, and now divide both sides by 3, so we will get y is equal to minus 3. So we got minus 3, right? Similarly, if we choose another value 3 over here, so what I will do, I will replace x with 3, right? So it will be 4 times 3 plus 3y is equal to minus 5. 4 3s are 12, so it will be, shift this 12 on the other side, so it will be 3y is equal to minus 5 minus 12, so 3y is equal to minus 17, and divide by 3, so both sides divided by 3, it will be minus 17 divided by 3, which is equal to, if we write in mixed fractions, it will be 5 compound 2 by 3 and minus, right, minus 5 compound 2 by 3 to write this in mixed fraction. Okay, so we have we put value of x 3, so we got value of y minus 5 2 by 3, so that is the corresponding value of y with respect to x, so minus 5 2 by 3. Similarly, if we choose next value of 5, so I have to replace, because we have a choice of choosing x value of x by yourself, and then we will get the relative value or corresponding value of y. So if we choose 5 over here is the value of x, so I will put x as 5, so it will be 4 times 5 plus 3y is equal to minus 5. So 4 5s are 20, shift this 20 on the other side, so it will be minus 5 minus 20, so 3y is equal to minus 25. Okay, so divide both sides by 3, so we will get minus 25 divided by 3, which is equal to minus 8 compound 1 by 3. Okay, so it's minus 8 1 by 3. If we choose next value of x as 7, so just put 7 over here, so we will get 28. If we put 7 over here, so it will be 4 times 7, 4 times 7 plus 3y is equal to minus 5, so it will be 3y is equal to minus 5 minus 28. So minus 5 minus 28 is minus 33, so it will be minus 33, and this is 3y. So divide both sides by 3, so we will get minus 33 by 3 is minus 11, so we will get minus 11 over here. Okay, so this is the graph of the first equation. Okay, so now we have to we have to make similar table of equation 2 as well. So equation 2, we have 3x minus 2y is equal to 43. Okay, so we have to make the similar table. So this is x and y. So we will take start from the same value 1 3 5 7. So if we put x is equal to 1, so putting x is equal to 1, so it will become 3 times 1, 3 1 minus 2y is equal to 43. So 3 ones are 3, shift this 3 on the other side, so it will be minus 2y is equal to 43 minus 3, right? To find the value of y, we have to eliminate this minus 2 from this side, so it will be y is equal to, this become 40, right? 43 minus 3 is 40, divided by minus 2, so that is equal to minus 20. So we got minus 20. Okay, so if you put next value of x is 3 excuse me, 3, so it will be 3 times 3 minus 2y is equal to 43. So 9, shift this 9 on the other side, so minus 2y is equal to 43 minus 9, and now 43 minus 9 is equal to 34, divided by minus 2, so we got y is equal to minus 17. If you divide 34 by minus 2, you will get minus 17, so minus 17. If we choose next value of x is 5, so just put 5 over here, so 3 times 5 minus 2y is equal to 43, and 3 5s are 15, shift this 15 on the other side, so it will be minus 2y is equal to 43 minus 15, which is equal to 28, and if you divide both sides by minus 2, you will get minus 14, so it will be minus 14. If the next value we choose of x is 7, right, so we will have 3 times 7 minus 2y is equal to 43. So 3 times 7 is 21 minus 2y is equal to 43. Shift this 21 on the other side, so we will get minus 2y is equal to 43 minus 21, which is equal to 22. Divide both sides by minus 2, so we will get minus 2 minus 2. This is finished, so we got minus 11. So that is the value of y, minus 11. Okay, so we made two tables of both the equations, right? So using this table, we can draw the graph of both the equation. Okay, so now we can draw the graph of both the equation, right? So this table will give us a straight line. So first we need to draw that straight line, because this is a linear equation, so linear equation will always give a straight line. So the coordinate of the first point is 1 minus 3, right? So if we have x1, then y is minus 3. So x is 1 and y is minus 3, so that is over here. Okay, so that is the first point. And then 3 minus 5, 2 by 3. So when x is 3, then y is minus 5, 2 by 3. So we will have minus 5 and 2 by 3. So if this is minus 5, then 2 by 3 means that 2/3 after minus 5. So that is the point, second point, right? The third point is 5 minus 8, 5 minus 8, 1 by 3. When x is 5, then y is minus 8, 1 by 3. So minus 8 and 1/3 after minus 8. So it will be like this. Okay, so that is the third point. And the fourth point is 7, 11. So when x is 7, then y is 11. So 11 is in between 10 and 12. Okay, that's how you can draw a graph, but usually you will have graph paper with you, so it will not be a problem. But when you don't have a graph paper with you, then you have to make sure that you will make these interval equal to each other. Okay, so you can see over here that this graph is a straight line. Okay, so there is little bit this is not exactly straight, but the reason is that this is not a graph paper, and these intervals are not exactly similar to each other. That's why there is little bit glitch in this graph. Okay, similarly we have to draw a graph of the next next equation, and in this one we have when x is 1 then y is minus 20. When x is 1 then y is minus 20, so it will be at the bottom, right? So since I don't have space to make it to minus 20, so I will take as far as possible, you know, to on the y-axis, negative y-axis. Okay, so this is 1 minus 20 and the other one is 3 minus 17. 3 minus 17, so it will be just like over here somewhere, and then is 4 minus 15, so 4 sorry, we don't have 4, 3. Okay, so 1 minus 20 and 3 minus 17, so this is 3 and then 5. Yeah, 5 minus 14, so we have to draw this line 5 minus 14 over here, a little bit up. Okay, and then 7 11, so 7 11 is just like this. So you can see that that is almost a straight line, but because of the this 20 minus 20 we didn't have space, so that's why this straight line will become little bit you know, little bit curvy type of thing. So the you need to make sure, you need to be sure that graph of these linear equation will always be a straight line if you draw this on graph paper. And the point over here is that you need to find the meeting point, the intersecting point of these two straight lines, and that point is x is 7 and y is minus 11. Okay, and this line which is not exactly straight, that is because we didn't have enough space at the bottom to draw exactly minus 20 in y-axis. That's why this line is not exactly straight, right? So the meeting point of these two lines is the solution, and this meeting point of or point of intersection of these two lines is x is 7 and y is minus 11. So our solution is x is 7 and y is minus 11, and you can see this from both the table as well. When we give x when we give 7, when we replace x with 7, then we will get rid of y as minus 11 from both the equation. When x is 7, then y is minus 11. When x is 7, then y is minus 11 in both the table. So the graph must be exactly the same according to these tables. So the purpose of this graphical method is that you have to find the point of intersection of these two straight lines. If you found the point of intersection of the two straight line, which will be given by these two linear equation, so that point of intersection is called the solution, and which is in this case which is 7 and minus 11, and this solution is exactly similar to the previous two method. You know, when we found the solution by using the previous two method, So we got the similar solution over here. So it means that whatever method you are going to use, you will get this same solution. Okay, thank you.